Ladies and gents, we're back with episode 2 of our Tarkov stream. Tarkov has officially wiped. Thanks to HP and Evetech, we will be giving away yet again 2 more Victor's hoodies and 1 more limited edition Omen hoodie. But that's not it. One of you will be walking away with this amazing Alloy Core RGB keyboard. So, if you're not doing anything this Saturday, 9:30, myself and Wookie will be streaming on both Evetech ZA and Evesport ZA. Don't miss it.
As the camera glides softly over the prizes that will be given away this weekend, we can see a scared little Alloy Core RGB keyboard not having its owner. It is looking for an owner and it wants one very badly.